Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save a sticker in your personal collection in the Journal app. Just open the app and open a document. Then insert a sticker that you like. Yes, it's here. And now you can see this store button. But if you can't see it, then just click on the sticker and it should appear. Click on store and now it is saved to my personal collection, which we can find if we click on this button right here, this plus icon. Here is my personal collection, and I hope you can also find yours, and I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.